Hi everybody, I'm Chad Kenyon, and today I'm doing a transformation here for Allie.
I'm Austin Burns. We're gonna do a pre-cut before Chad balayages. I'm gonna be using the number 7 bonding oil to prep her hair.
We're doing some highlights today, but we're going to start by doing the OLAPLEX 4C clarifying shampoo. Will remove surface buildup and restore shine. It's really amazing. This is the OLAPLEX broad spectrum chelating treatment, and it's perfect to do before coloring so that you're painting on a clean canvas. We're gonna let it process for about 20 minutes. I'm balayaging, and of course I'm using OLAPLEX number 1 Bond Multiplier in my clay-based lightener. So right now I'm doing a little strobing around the face. I'm holding the hair back, and that creates upward mobility. So I'm deactivating with water, and then I'm going to apply OLAPLEX number 2 Bond Perfector. My pro tip is to add OLAPLEX number 1 Bond Multiplier to all of my glosses. That way the hair is being strengthened and repaired while the gloss processes. So this is OLAPLEX number 9 Bond Protector. It's the first thing that touches damp hair, so it's like a base coat. Now I'm going to apply OLAPLEX number 6 Bond Smoother with the bonding oil number 7. I like to apply mids through ends first, and then when I just have a bit of a film in my hands, I'll go and apply at the root as well.
So now I'm gonna go in with the number 7 bonding oil just on the ends.